So right now I'm just outlining the part I want to cover with a white gel pen. Then I'm gonna go over with multiple layers of white paint and let that dry. Right now I'm just randomly sketching the butterflies all over the paper. Right here I'm just adding purple, but I actually used a different purple as I added layers because I needed something that would be thicker and hold more. I was trying to preserve my white as much as I can because that's like my literally last white paint. So I was just mixing the light pink with the darker purple to get a cute like pinky purple color, and then this would just be the base of the butterfly. Right here you can just see I'm painting in all the details of the butterfly, making them look all cute and fancy or whatever. And then afterwards I'll do the white little specks off camera, but you'll see the final product at the end. I don't know why I've been low-key obsessed with pink purple lately, but I'm just splattering like that all over the page randomly just to give different areas of color. Right here I'm just sketching out the letters. Right here I'm just outlining everything with paint, and then I'll go to the background with white paint, and then I'll go over the letters in a darker purple. So I got this inspiration from a Bible verse, 1 John 4:9, which you've probably seen in the video a couple of times. But it reads, "Herein was the love of God manifested in us, that God hath sent his only begotten Son into the world, that we may live through him." So basically, God is love, Jesus is love. So whenever I'm feeling down or anything, I could just rest in his love. Okay guys, I don't know why, but I kind of have a newfound obsession with butterflies. But don't do this, because when I added the blue, it started messing up the color and stuff, so I had to do a whole bunch of layers until it dried and looked okay. But also, before we reveal, I want to just say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know how they turned out. And also, I may redo one of them because it was kind of